After you've signed up, go to your Stories library and click on Create a new Storydoc. From here, you can open the Templates library. Storydoc has tons of business-ready templates carefully designed to impress your audience, like this interactive sales deck. To edit it, click on Use this template. Now, here's where the magic happens. To change your logo, click on Your Logo and then head over to Change Media. Upload your logo from your computer and make any necessary adjustments. Now, let's add an eye-popping background. Since this is an animated deck, let's choose a video background. Click on the default one and select Change Media. Here, you can add any file from your computer or choose from the thousands of stock videos available. Alright, we love purple, but let's try a different color. To change the background color, head over to Style and select the color that fits your brand. The last step is to add a catchy title. To edit the text, simply click on it and start typing. No rocket science here. And there you go, a branded first slide. From here, you can keep editing your Storydoc with your amazing proposal.